What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you, but this time I'll show you how I go about finding very, very low competition and very profitable niches. So as you can see, this is out of the top of my head. I just typed this, and as you can see, by the way, this is I'm using KDP rank tool. This I just got this from kdprank.com. I just got this Chrome extension from kdprank.com. So I just typed in this tool. You can find this for free Chrome extensions. This is a free Chrome extension. It will show you and it will complete all the keywords with their search volume and search data. So just get this one if you want at kdprank.com. So I just typed in the Halloween coloring book for toddlers. As you can see, it has 2,000 results and it's very high competition for me. So we need at least less than 1,000, right? As I always say. So what I did was Halloween coloring book. I just copied the Halloween coloring book, and I went to the same app that gave me the Chrome extension. I just go to kdprank.com, and I just signed up for free. You can just sign up for free and go to the magnet tool. So the Halloween coloring book, and you just press get keywords. By the way, you can just sign up for this. Let me show you. You can go to kdprank.com and just sign up here for free, and you get all the tools. So let me go back to the tutorial. So I just paste in the Halloween coloring book and I just press keywords. As you can see, it gave me all the keywords that I can use for my title and subtitle. But these are very high competition. As you can see, it will show you the competing products, the Halloween coloring book. So what I'm looking for is less than 1,000, right? So I found this one, 876, and it is creepy kawaii coloring book. So it has a very good search volume and number of competing products is less than 1,000. So I got my keyword. So I just copy this and paste it on Amazon and to see how much people are making with this. So I'm just going to paste it here. As you can see, 155 results. So let me open KD Spy here. I'm using KD Spy. As it loads, I just click on KD Spy here. Sorry about my computer, it's just busy. So as you can see, it opened KD Spy here. This tool also shows you keywords, but it's not reliable as kdprank.com. So I use it sparingly. So let me show you how much people are making here. As you can see, $14,000. The bestseller of this niche is making $14,000 every single month. So let me show you the bestseller here. Let me just close this one, and I'll show you how you can get all of the interiors for free, by the way. So the creepy kawaii, as you can see, it's independently published and it's making a lot of money here. So others are making a lot of money here. They need a great cover, so you can get that from topcoverdesigner.com if you want. So let me show you how you can get the interiors for free. So I just go to another tool. By the way, the Chrome extension will show you this also, the Chrome extension. So let me go to kdpdownload.com. So I searched for my creepy kawaii coloring book. So as you can see, it gave me a lot of results for $20, but don't worry about this. You can download all of this for free. You can download 10 of these products for free. Just go to kdpdownload.com and you can download this while you buy it, right? As you can download it. So finally, just go to kdptips.com to download your free bestsellers guide. I wrote this a long time ago, still is relevant today. So I just download this and have fun with this. So this is it, guys. This is my tutorial for today. I hope you gained some things.